Welcome to Beautyistic, where we dive deep into the world of beauty products and tools. Today, we're taking a closer look at the Medicube Mini Booster Pro Pink, a sleek and affordable at-home skincare device designed to enhance your beauty routine. Whether you're new to skincare tools or a seasoned pro, this one promises to bring a glow boost to your routine. So let's break it down and see if it lives up to the hype. The Medicube Mini Booster Pro is a compact, portable skincare tool that promises to maximize the absorption of your skincare products, helping to boost radiance and improve skin health. Designed for all skin types, including sensitive or troubled skin, it's marketed as a soothing, gentle tool that can be used after spot treatments or integrated into your regular skincare routine. The device is built with advanced technology developed in Korea, known for producing high-quality, innovative beauty tools. Now, let's get into the real-world testing. I've been using the Mini Booster Pro for a few weeks, and let me tell you, it's very user-friendly. The compact design makes it super easy to carry around in your bag, making it perfect for quick on-the-go touch-ups. When I first tried it, I was skeptical about how much difference a small tool like this could make, but the results were surprisingly good. I applied my regular serum and used the Mini Booster Pro in small circular motions as instructed. The tool has a gentle vibration, which feels really soothing on the skin, almost like a mini facial massage. After using it, my skin felt more hydrated and my products seemed to sink in better, giving my complexion a healthy, dewy glow. However, I did find the lack of a USB charging cable a bit of a downside. While it uses a Type-C USB, you'll need to provide your own cable, which might be a hassle for some users. Another thing to note is that the product size is great for portability, but it may not feel as sturdy as some larger, heavier devices on the market. It's lightweight, but that could be a factor to consider if you're looking for something more substantial. Now, let's talk pros and cons. On the positive side, the Medicube Mini Booster Pro really does help improve skin absorption. According to the product description, it boosts the absorption rate by 562%, and in my experience, my skincare products did seem to work better. It's also gentle enough for sensitive skin, which is great if you're dealing with redness or irritation. The soothing vibrations are a nice touch for adding that extra sense of relaxation to your routine. On the downside, the lack of an included charging cable is a small but frustrating inconvenience. And while it's portable, the device might not feel as robust as some higher-end alternatives. As for value for money, the Medicube Mini Booster Pro is pretty affordable for what it offers, especially when you compare it to more expensive facial devices that promise similar benefits. While it doesn't have all the bells and whistles of a high-end facial tool, it still delivers solid results for anyone looking to enhance their skincare routine without breaking the bank. If you're comparing it to other similar products, there are certainly other skincare tools out there, but this one stands out due to its compact design and ease of use. Some higher-end devices have more features or different settings, but for the price, this one gets the job done without overwhelming you with complicated settings or a steep learning curve. In terms of build quality, the Mini Booster Pro is lightweight, but feels fairly durable, though I wouldn't say it's built to last like more premium devices. However, it's still a great option for those looking for a portable and affordable beauty tool that delivers noticeable results. So, what about customer support? I haven't had any direct interactions with the brand's customer service, but based on reviews and the brand's reputation, it seems that Medicube offers solid customer service. As with any device, it's always reassuring to know you can reach out for help if needed. To sum it up, the Medicube Mini Booster Pro is a great option for anyone looking to boost their skincare routine without spending a fortune. It delivers on its promise of improved absorption and a radiant glow, especially for beginners or those looking for a simple tool that works. While it's not perfect, missing charging cables and lightweight construction might turn some off, it's definitely worth considering if you want an affordable and effective skincare boost. If this review was helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and press the bell icon so that others can find this review too. It helps the channel grow, and I'll be bringing more honest, expert reviews your way. Thank you for watching Beautyistic. If you're interested in the medicube Mini Booster Pro, you can find the link in the comments below. And if you already own one, feel free to share your thoughts or ask any questions in the comments. Let's keep the conversation going. Goodbye for now. Stay glowing with Beautyistic.